My wife says she's gonna make a cake with my 5-year-old granddaughter using this. She says it's gonna be simple, so it's not even worth recording it. But I will record it anyway because in case I miss some tips. The powder is already in the container, in the bowl. My wife had Ali put it there.
Yeah, and it's so hard.
And Ali is playing with that and she's not supposed to. Now Nana is gonna get a cup.
Okay, and then
Ali's gonna crack the eggs. Okay.
Okay, there's one.
Okay.
We're dripping on the floor a little bit.
Okay, one more.
Okay, crack the other one. Now let's put 1 cup of water. And that is cracking the eggs.
Let me get a half a cup of oil.
One more egg.
Now go wash your
Nana, do we have to put one more egg in it?
How many did you put?
2.
Oh, now you have to put one more.
Okay, so 3 eggs. Wow. Break it over here. Break it up over here. Because you're gonna... I was so scared. Okay, what are you putting there? 1 cup of canola?
Half a cup of oil.
What kind of oil? Canola oil?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, half a cup of canola oil. I might learn something from this. Just spraying those with oil spray. That's to prevent the cake from sticking up to the end.
It's yellow.
Baby.
Out again.
Ali's helping. And she's having so much fun.
Okay, baby, let me turn it off so I can.
Uh-oh. Something is happening.
Yeah,
Why is it red? Did anybody drop blood there?
No.
Oh, I thought it was my blood. That's how my blood looks like.
Like dark.
Okay, I think that's plenty. Let me just do several liters.
Yeah, she's putting it there. Look at that. Wow.
Are we done making it?
Yeah,
Almost.
we're just going to put them in there.
And then it's time to cool it down and then dig in.
And that's the oven.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, and it's already preheated, huh?
Yes.
Okay, at 350 for about half hour. Now we're gonna have to wait when it's done, and we'll see how it comes out.
Good.
You like it? Wow. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Then make sure to turn on the bell. We will continue to add amazing dishes.